I have some work to do. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's just edit some YouTube video. Wait. Oh my god. No, what's going on? No, stop. No. No, okay. Don't worry. I'll just recover them from the trash bin. No, what's going on with my computer? No, don't do it. Don't empty the trash. Oh no, my family photos were there from 20 years ago. Has this ever happened to you before? That you delete something very important like a YouTube video that you were editing, maybe some family photos? Well, don't worry about it, because today I'll teach you guys how to undelete or recover files from any USB, computer, or any hard disk or solid disk drive. So let's start this tutorial. So almost everybody has run into this kind of problem before, and many people don't know how to fix it. And it's very easy to do it, and you can do it on your own, totally free. This is a very simple tutorial and I hope you like it. Just follow these steps and I assure you, you're gonna recover your files without a problem. First, we need a tool. This tool is called TestDisk. TestDisk is a tool that is completely free and you don't have to do any subscription or pay for anything. You don't even need to create an account. Let's just go to your browser, and on your browser, you need to type TestDisk. Okay, now that we type TestDisk, you just gotta find the correct link. So it's this one that says CG Security, TestDisk download CG Security. So you click here, and here is the download page. TestDisk works on almost any computer. It works for Windows, Macs, and Linux. So because I'm using a Mac right now, I'm gonna use the Mac OS install. But if you're on Windows, you can just choose any of this. And the good thing is that on Windows you have a GUI. So what I mean is that you have like a personalized application. You don't have to use the terminal or anything like that. It's a very simple process, but because I'm on Mac, I'm gonna have to do it on the terminal, which you can also use it on Windows and Linux. Let's click on macOS X Intel 64-bit, and now you can see that it immediately downloaded. So you click on the file, just find it on your folders, and just drag it out to your desktop. So as you can see, this is my USB where I just accidentally deleted all my files. Here you can see that there's anything here and there's nothing here on the trash. So it's completely empty, everything seems to be lost. So now that we have TestDisk installed, you just gotta click here, double click, and now a folder appears here. You can now delete this. Here, if you open it, you can see a lot of stuff like text, like some executables, but just ignore this for now. Don't move anything, don't delete anything. So you open the terminal app and it's gonna look something like this. It may look different for you, but don't worry, it's all the same. So now after you open it, we have to do two steps. So on terminal, you just gotta do sudo. Sudo basically enables you to have like superpowers on your computer. You can do anything you want on your computer. It's like being an administrator on your computer, unless you do anything you want. So it's very important to do sudo, because if you don't do it, it's not gonna work. Then, what you gotta do is open the TestDisk folder, and then you gotta go to this executable called photorec. You right click, and it's gonna show you all these options. But what we need is to press the option key on your keyboard. You press it and hold it on your Mac, and it's gonna show you different options. So here it says copy photorec as path name. Left click, and now it's copied on your clipboard. So now here we do Command V, or you can just do right click and then paste. So now we have this sudo and the path name of our executable. So now we do enter or return, and it's gonna ask you for your password. It asks you for your password because sudo gives you superpowers on your computer, and sometimes those superpowers can be very dangerous. But don't worry, nothing's gonna happen, your computer is gonna be completely fine, as we just want to recover our deleted files. Type in the password of your computer. So I'm gonna type mine, and here you can see that it worked. and now it's showing us all these options. You may be confused if you don't know anything about computers. It says select a video and choose proceed using the arrow keys. But what is all of this? What is this dev or this tree? What is all of this? So because I'm using a USB and because my files were lost in the USB, so what you gotta do is go to a spotlight search or this like little icon here on the top of your Mac, and then you're gonna go and type disk utility. Here it shows. It's gonna show you all of these options. If all of these options don't show up, which is very important, you gotta go to view and you gotta select show all devices. So now that we're here, we're gonna find our USB and which device is it. For example, my USB is a Kingston Data Traveler 2.0, and here you can see the device is a type disk and device is disk 6 and is 7.81 gigabytes, almost 8 gigabytes. So we just gotta find the correct one over here. So we navigate with the arrow keys and here you can see it is disk 6 and it's almost 8 gigabytes. So to proceed, we're gonna click return or enter. So here you're gonna see two options, FE system and MS data. The one we need is MS data, which is the part of our USB that has all of our information, images, videos. Return or enter on your keyboard. You're gonna see two options more. It's gonna say exit 2, exit 3 or other. We're gonna select other, and then another two options are gonna show here. It's gonna say free or hold. If you choose free, it's gonna scan for an exact file on your USB. But since we want to recover everything on our USB, everything that we lost, we're gonna select hold and then click enter. Now this is the next step. Please select a destination to save the recovered files to. Do not choose to write the files to the same partition they were stored on. So in this section, we're gonna choose where on our computer we're gonna save our recovered files. So let's say you can save it on applications, desktop, maybe the documents folder, pictures if you want to. But for me, I'm gonna save it to the desktop. So press enter or return on your keyboard. And now in this part, we're gonna choose the second option, but instead of pressing return or enter, we're gonna press C. So C when the destination is correct. So let's press C and it's gonna start working right away. So here on this part it's gonna show you the size in sectors. Here it's gonna show you the destination our recovered folder is gonna go to. You can see right here it's creating itself right now, and if you open it, it's working. But do not tamper with it until the process is finished. Here is the reading sector. Here is where the application is going through right now on our USB. Here it says 10 files found. It's gonna show you the total of files it has found. Down here it's gonna show you the estimated time to completion. Here the elapsed time, and down here it's gonna show you the types of files that are being recovered. So here you can see that I have text files that are being recovered, movie file, and then it's gonna show me like PNGs, JPEGs, or MP3s or MP4s that are gonna be recovered. So now all that is left is wait for our process to be done and we'll come back. So now the process is done. So here you can see that I recovered 878 files from my USB and they're saved here on my desktop. Here you can see the two folders, and here you can see all of the files that are recovered. But if you don't see these folders over here in your desktop, or you don't see your recovered files anywhere, just select this, right click, copy, and then what you have to do is go to Finder, and then go to folder, and then you just paste the path name. So let's open this folder 1. So let's open it here. And as you can see, there's a lot of trash, a lot of text files, the EVs, but what we want to see is our files that we just deleted a minute ago. So let's see, here I have this YouTube video that I was doing and I recovered it successfully with audio and everything. I have this JPEG over here, this other PNG that got lost, more images. So yeah, everything is here. There's these MP3s, these are music that I had for a long time, years ago. So glad they got recovered. And let's open this second directory. So here you can see a lot of these Windows media, MP3s, there's a lot of these. Here you can see less trash. So yeah, that's about it. This was very successful and it worked pretty good. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video and it was very useful and informational for you. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video with other people, and if you have family or friends that you think could be very useful for them, don't forget to share with them too. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, and I'll see you next time.